My name's Geoff Button. I'm one of the tutors on the Trainee Ranger program here at NMIT. So one of the electives that we're running is recreation maintenance, and that's quite a doc-focused course. We look at standards of tracks, the types of visitors that we get into our national parks and other parks, our forest parks and so on, and just understanding about maintaining those tracks, maintaining the huts. How do we manage that stuff? So, you know, it doesn't happen randomly. So trying to understand the dynamics of building tracks and maintaining tracks. Also vegetation clearance. We do a lot of that, the use of weed eaters or scrub bars. They're a really important tool for keeping the way clear so people don't get lost when they're out there in our natural environment. I think the recreation maintenance course is a good course to take because it gives you some base skills around working outside, working on tracks and understanding the maintenance issues that pop up with huts and tracks and camps, amenities, that sort of stuff. The most common response we get when we ask them, why do you want to do this program? It's because I want to make a difference. A lot of people are worried about the state of our environment, and they just want to be able to do something tangible to have a positive influence on the environment, be it a national park or be it just generally looking after the whenua.